This video is about National Policy on Health 1983. So, before we begin with the National Policy on Health 1983, let us have a look at the different policies on health. So, the Government of India has so far implemented three national policies on health, namely National Policy on Health 1983, National Policy on Health 2002, and National Policy on Health 2017. So, the first policy to be introduced on on health at a national level was the National Health Policy of India, a National Policy on Health 1983. So, this policy was framed by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, and it was in force till 2002. The policymakers stressed the preventive, promotive, public health, and rehabilitative aspects of healthcare. Stress was also laid on the provision of a comprehensive primary healthcare services, especially to the remote areas. So, this policy, which was issued in 1983, gave a lot of stress to preventive and promotive public health rather than the curative aspects of healthcare. And also, it aimed to have a comprehensive primary healthcare system which would reach even to the remotest villages of India. So now let us have a look at the objectives of the National Health Policy 1983. The first objective says a phased time-bound program for setting up a well-dispersed network of comprehensive primary healthcare services linked with extension and health education, designed in the context of the ground reality that elementary health problems can be resolved by the people themselves. So, the underlying assumption of this objective was that there are certain minor health problems which can be treated at the community level, which need not have need not have very professional intervention. So, this could be done by training certain people at the community level to with basic knowledge of health, how to treat minor health problems. So that was one of the objective to provide health education and to have a comprehensive primary healthcare system all over India. So the second objective says intermediation through health volunteers having appropriate knowledge, simple skills, and requisite technologies. So this is in continuation to the first objective, where it says that to have extension and health education. So this extension and health education was given to the health volunteers who were trained to deal with the minor health problems. The third objective says establishment of a well worked out referral system to ensure that patient load at the higher levels of the hierarchy is not needlessly burdened by those who can be treated at the decentralized level. So, what is meant by referral? So, when a patient or a person meets a doctor with some health problem and the doctor is not able to solve the health problem, then he can refer him to someone who is more specialized in that area. So this is the referral system. So it was attempts were made to have a certain levels of hierarchy. So from the village level it could go to the taluk level, then from taluk to district, such hierarchy level, so that the hospitals at the topmost hierarchy were not overburdened with problems which can be treated at maybe at a hospital which is at a lower hierarchy, so that those at the higher levels are not overburdened and can attend to such cases which cannot actually be treated at the lower levels of the hierarchy. This was the third objective. And the fourth objective was an integrated network of evenly spread specialty and super specialty services, encouragement of such facilities through private investments for patients who can pay, so that the draw on the government's facilities is limited to those entitled to free use. So the fourth objective was to encourage private investments in healthcare systems in for especially for specialty and super specialty services, so that people who can afford private services, who can pay for the private services, may avail these services, and the government facilities can be utilized by those who are actually entitled to free use who cannot afford the private services. So this was the fourth objective. So now let us have a look at the salient features of the 1983 health policy. First, it was critical of the curative oriented Western model of healthcare. So like we have seen the objectives, it didn't give much emphasis to the curative oriented model, but it was more towards preventive. So that is the second feature. It emphasized a preventive, promotive and rehabilitative primary healthcare approach. And the third feature is it recommended a decentralized system of healthcare, the key features of which were low cost, deprofessionalization, that is use of volunteers and paramedics, and the community participation. Fourth is expansion of the private curative sector, which would help reduce the government's burden. So these are some of the salient features of the 1983 health policy. However, by the end of 2000th century, it was clear that the goals of health for all by the year 2080 would not be achieved. The observed progress suggested that we may need some new and additional strategy or new sizable intervention in achievement of an acceptable health of the country. So, in spite of the efforts of the policymakers and having the noble goal of having health for all by the year 2080, this could not be achieved, and it was felt that some additional strategies were required to achieve the an acceptable health condition. So let us have a look at some of the factors responsible for the failure of this policy. The first is biased and poor socio-economic development in the region where it was needed most. So there was a certain uneven or ununiform distribution of the development, and the areas where it was needed most could not be reached. Second, discriminatory policies due to age, gender, and ethnicity, thus preventing access to healthcare services. So these can be told as these have been told as some of the factors responsible for the national policy not being successful. So this is the reference which I have referred for preparation of this video. We can go through this material for a better understanding of the topic.